We do with many businesses, small, individual owned, small, and some medium businesses which we have. So we do a whole lot of things in the consultancy for companies. I'll start briefly by saying some of the things we do. Management accounts, as the business grows, you need to keep records and track how you are performing. It's never an easy thing to really know how you are performing without keeping track records. Back home, we used to have examples of people with their tuck shops. You are selling something in a small shop and you are just putting money, taking money. You don't even know what you are doing because you just take money to buy vegetables and everything. However, in a proper business sense, you need to be taking care and recording so that you actually see what you are getting from the business. So we do that side of things, so that the management accounting, we do the taxes with the HMRC. With the HMRC, which we are talking about, it brings some anger in us to say, these people again, they take my money when I'm working. Now I've got a small thing, they want to take money again. Anything I just do on the side, they want money. But these things can be managed, and we know well ahead maybe how we can do it better, so that it doesn't become a burden, but we can plan it and we know how we are going to progress, how we are going to be managing, so that our tax affairs cannot be a burden, too much of a burden on us. However, we need, when needs be, to pay something so that our community, our society benefits also. Also, as companies, as they grow, sometimes when you are one person, you ignore the issue of payrolls. But as the business grows, and sometimes even if you are one person and you really want to have the affairs proper, it's best to have a payroll software. It then helps the payroll system, and it is managed. Then helps on the HMRC side again, so that everything, if you are saying you are the business owner, you have a salary, everything is on track record. There are pay slips which are generated. It's showing you the month-on-month taxes, year-to-date, even on a month like December, when you're almost like 8 months into the personal tax year. So it is proof for those who want to be maybe getting credit somewhere. You need a pay slip, and you are employed, you are self-employed. You can be having your pay slip, which you can show that you are really employed. So all these things help in many other things, because as we all know, the system is interconnected somehow. So it then helps to prove and to show that you are genuine in what you are doing. So